How to log in to H&R Employee Block Login. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily log into H&R Block Employee Portal. First off, you can head over to a web browser and simply search for H&R Block Employee Login. Tap on the first link that you see, account.hrblock.com. And from this page, you should be able to log into your account. Here, the first thing you need to do is enter your username, email, or mobile number to get started. Let me just go ahead and quickly enter my username or email. Click on continue, and then you'll be taken to a page to enter your password. Now, if it says the account not found, then you want to go ahead and click on create account to create a new one. But in this case, if your account is correct, you'll be taken directly to the password page. And if you enter the correct password, you should be able to log into H&R Block account. If not, you can use the forgot password page down below right here to recover your password. It'll send you a reset link on your password, and then you can create a new one using that particular code that you get. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.